Hey guys, it's your girl Robin Lewis, custom wig designer. If this is your first time or you're reoccurring subscriber, click the link to subscribe, hit the notification button to be notified when videos are uploaded. And yeah, I am doing a rod using the wand on my wig. This is a pre live that I did back last year around the ending of April when we was in quarantine, and I was just rodding this wig, my custom wig that I created. This wig is from 2016 when I went to the Bronner Brother hair show. I got the hair, their virgin straight hair, and it was a natural dark brown 1B, and I processed the hair. I lightened it up first, and then I applied this crimson red to it for the desired color I was looking for. And yeah, I have used 3 bundles along with a 4x4 closure to give me the length and density that I desire to have. So, yeah, I'm just wanding up the hair to get the curl pattern that I'm looking to desire to have. And this is really, really, really good. I enjoy, doing these things. So I was doing a live showing my audience the curl that I achieve using the wand. So this was for a demonstration purpose. And if anyone had any questions, they could have got their questions answered. I enjoy making wigs. It relaxes me and it gives me tranquility and peace. So making wigs is what I desire, and I also do one on one coaching with others who may want to position themselves and want to start making wigs for any reason for their personal self or to share your talent with others. There's so many people in need of wigs, and one size don't fit all. Everyone has their taste, their desired look. They have their preference in color, preference in length, preference in density. So being able to make a custom wig for someone is very rewarding. And because you're putting your special touch, your special gifts and talent that will uplift someone else and put them in such a beautiful state that they could go ahead and embrace anything they are experiencing, their job, their business, their relationships, their community connection. A wig can give you that confidence you need in terms of, say for instance, that your hair is not in great condition and you're not able to achieve the kind of styles that you may like with your own natural hair. This is where a wig come into place. It could be customized, or you could buy it from a store in a package where it's already pre-ready for you, and hopefully you get the right sizing and it looks good on you. So there are some stores that do customization where the stylist there may cut down the hair and show you what product work well with it and so forth. Having a wig could really change everything: your appearance, how you feel, and if you want to try a color and you may not want to damage or do it to your own natural hair, or your chemical treated hair. A wig come into place where you can play with any colors to see if it work well with your undertones. Sometimes there are colors you may want to try, but you may be hesitant because you don't know what the results may be on your own hair. So having a wig give you that flexibility to play with colors, to play with different lengths, to play with different curl patterns, to see what you really like as well. Some of or see what looks good on you. A wig is a start. A wig is something personal, and you get to really express yourself with a wig. That's why I love them so much. That's why I love making them, because there's times where you may not have that momentum. And just by going and bringing one of your wigs, especially for the wig lovers that are out here, and you put that wig on, you fix your face, beat it as much as you want, or have it as natural as you want. That wig will enhance everything all around you, where you'll be able to just walk in confidence and embrace the moment. It's all about the moment. Anyway, guys, yes, I just wanted to jump on here and share this with you. Hope this video may, I hope this video helps someone. And yeah, if this is something or the content that you like, click the thumbs up button, hit the like, sorry, hit the thumbs up button, hit the like, hit the share, and let's get it going. Hope to see you next Thursday, guys, at 2 p.m. with something new or something record. Have a great day. This is your girl Robin, custom wig designer. See you. Have a blessed one. I'm out.